Hello student, in this video we are going to do the problems of pair of linear equations in two variables 4.2 from problem 5 to 10. So 10th problem is different for AP and TS Maths class students. So please focus on that one. So start with the sixth question. Hello students, start with the sixth question. Places A and B are the 100 kilometers apart from on a highway. So highway like this, and here A and B here. Okay, so one car starts from the A, यहाँ से start होता, and B another from B. So from here, so at the same time at the different speeds. So different speeds. So if the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours in the same directions, like this way. So they meet after 5 hours. Okay, they meet after 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, so like opposite direction, they will meet in 1 hour. He's saying that they will meet in 1 hour. So what are the speeds of the two cars? So at the same speed they will go like this. They will take 5 hours to reach each other, and it will comes like this opposite side. It within 1 hour they meet. So we need to find here what are the speeds of the two cars. So solution start here. Okay, so here let the speed of a car A is equal to x, speed of the car B is equal to y late. Okay, so after that the distance traveled by the first car. So first car distance travel 5 kilometers, 5 hours we think, like after 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours is equal to 5x 1 hour, this x kilometer per hour. Okay, y kilometer per hour bh. Okay, so is equal to how much? H is equal to, so 1 hour is equal to how much it will come? X come, because y 5y will get cancelled, h is equal to x will remain. So another, uh, this one, the opposite directions. Okay, opposite directions, how will you come? 5x, wait, in opposite direction also 5h is equal to 5y is equal to 1 hour is equal to y. So these are the two here, the by the so from the question, these two cars traveling same side. So one side it after they meet 5 hours, the same side east समझो ऐसा. So east like this. So what will the, what will be the formula here? So 5x, so the equation come will like this: 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Okay, so towards each other in 1 hour. So these are the 100 kilometer apart from on highway. So this distance is 100 kilometer because we taking 100 here. So x minus y is equal to, so 5 will come on here, it will goes come here 100 by 5. So 5 1 ja 5 20 ja will come, x minus y is equal to 20 is first equation. So they will come opposite direction. Okay, it will take how much time? It will take 1 hour. Okay, it will take 1 hour to complete the journey. So the next equation will become x plus y is equal to 100. So because it will come inside 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, so is equal to 100 kilometers. So we need to find these solutions. Okay, solution, here x minus y is equal to 20 and x plus y is equal to 100. So y will get cancelled, 2x is equal to 120. So x is equal to 120 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 260 ja. So x is equal to how much? 60 kilometer per hour a speed. Okay, so we need to find y, so b speed also. So here we submit in the one equation, any one equation we submit in this equation, first equation. X value 60 minus y is equal to 20. So 60 goes here, minus y is equal to 20 minus 60. So minus y is equal to minus 40 will come. So minus minus will get cancelled, y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 here. The speeds of the two car, x is equal to first car and y is equal to second car. This is the answer here. So seventh question. So two angles are complementary. The larger angle is 3 degrees less than the twice measure of the smaller angle. Find the measure of the angle. Solution here. So we take it as larger angle is x and smaller angle is y. So he's saying that here the complementary angles, the two are complementary angles, means x plus y is equal to, these are the two angles, small one large one is equal to 90 degrees. So addition of these two complementary angles is equal to 90 degrees. And here the angle, larger angle is 3 less than the twice the measure of the smaller angle. Smaller angle is how much? 2y. So twice the means 2y, and minus less than, here he's saying that less than, more than not less than. So that's why we're taking as minus 3. So it will become larger angle, x is equal to. So x is equal to 2y minus 3, it will come like this. This is the first equation and this is second equation will come. So we solve these two equations and we will get the answer. So x plus y is equal to 90 degrees and x minus 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay. So if we cancel this, so this will become minus and this will plus and this will also plus. So this will get 2 cancel and this is a 3, y is equal to 93. Therefore y is equal to 93 by 3. So 3 1 ja and 3 3 ja 9 and 3 1 ja 3. So y is equal to how much? 31. The smaller angle is 31. We need to find larger angle. So x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. In this we submit this one. So x plus 31 is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore x is equal to 90 minus 31. So equal to how much will come? So 659 is the answer here. Okay. So smaller angle, larger angle. Smaller angle is how much? 31 and larger angle is 59. So eighth one, an algebra textbook has the total pages of 1382 pages. It is broken up into the two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages more than the first part. And how many pages are in the each part of the book? So he asking. So solution here, the first part of the book is x. The first part of book is x, let, okay. So second part of book is y, okay. Second part book is, okay. So therefore x plus y is equal to how much? 1382. So total pages, this total book is equal to 1382 pages. And here given that problem, the broken up to two parts, the second part of the book has, second part is how much here? Y. So y is equal to, he's saying that like uh, 64 more pages than the first part, 64 more than, so x plus 64, first से 64 ज़्यादा है तो, so second book it is. So here how much, how it will come? So x minus y is equal to minus 64 will get come. So this is the second equation, this is the first equation. Okay. So we solve solve these equations and we'll get answer. So x plus y is equal to 1382 and x minus y is equal to minus 64. So it will get cancelled. 2x is equal to how much will come? 1318. Okay. So x is equal to 1318 divided by, so 2. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja and 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja. So x is equal to 659 here. Okay. So we need to find another book. Okay. So here x plus y is equal to how much? 1382. Total book, this one, total pages. So we submit x value in this. So y is equal to, x will goes here na. So 1382 minus 659 is equal to how much will come? 723 will come. So this is the answer here. So here ninth one, a chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid HCl. So hydrochloric acid HCl in stock. One is 50% solution and another is 80% solution. How much of the each should be used to obtain the 100% of the 68% of solution? So 68% of 100 ml. Okay, so we need to find 100 ml of 68%. We have to find here. So solution. So first solution, we take it as x. Okay, excellent. So second solution, violet. Okay, so y. So x plus y is equal to how much we have to get? So 100%, 100 ml. We need to get 100 ml here. So x plus y is equal to, if we add these two though, so we have to get 100 ml of 68% of solution. So this is the first equation. Here the two solutions are there na? So it is the first solution. So first solution had 50% of 50% of acid, and second solution had 80% of acid. Okay, so with this, uh, first solution, how much we got? 50 x percent na? So x into 50 in 50 x percent plus and 80 80% y is equal to 68% we need. Okay, here. Okay, 68% solution we need here. Okay, so in this 50% means x in 50x divided by 100 plus 80 y divided by 100 is equal to 68 by 100. Okay, so we take it as here 68 only, 68. So 51 ja 52 ja, so it will come like how much it will come, uh, 24 ja and 25 ja. So x by 2 plus 4y by 5 is equal to 68. 68% we need here. So here LCM is how much? 10. It will become 10 LCM, and it will become 5x plus 8y is equal to 68. This 10 will goes here. 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. This is the second equation. So we solve the first and second equation, simplification. So we'll get answer. So 5x plus 8y is equal to 680, and x plus y is equal to 100. So we multiply with this one with the 5 with this one. 5x plus 8y is equal to 680, and 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. So minus minus minus. So this will get cancelled, and 3y is equal to, so how much it will become? 180. So y is equal to 180 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 60 ja. So y is equal to 60 here, and x is equal to we need to find. Okay, so we submit in this one. So x is equal to 40%. So this is the answer of first solution. We need how much? 40, and second solution we need to 60. Then we can make the 68% of solution of acid with the 100 ml. Okay, so this is the answer. Here 10th one, suppose you have 12,000 to invest. You have to invest some amount at a 10% interest and 15% interest. Rest is 15%. How much should be invested in each rate? Yield 12% on the total amount invested. So total amount may invest pay and invest, you have to get 12%. So you have to invest in one amount for 10% and another 15%. So like 6,000 per 10, and 8,000 per something like, only other things 6,000 per 15%. You have to invest in some cases. You need to get 12% of the total interest amount, total amount interest. 12% you have to get. So solution here. So let the amount be invest at 10% is x, at 15% is y. Okay, so therefore x plus y is equal to how much? 12,000 total amount we have to invest in here. Okay, so first one, this one. So also by the problem, so 10% of the amount, 10% of x and plus and 15% of y is equal to how much we will get? 12% of, we need to get 12% of total amount. So 12,000. Okay, here 10 by 10 of x and plus 15% of y is equal to 12% of 12,000. So we'll take 10x divided by 100 and plus 15y divided by 100 is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000. So here we get so 100 LCM. So this total 100 will get cancelled, and 10x plus 15y is equal to 12 12 ja 144, 3 zeros. This is the second equation. We solve this first and two equations. 10x plus 15y is equal to 144,000. So and x plus y is equal to 12,000. 12,000. Okay, so we have to solve this. So we multiply with this 10. Okay, so this with 1. So 10x plus 15y is equal to 14 144 and triple zeros 1,44,000, and 10x plus 10y is equal to, so 1 0 will be added. Okay, means how much? 1,20,000. Okay, so minus minus minus, it will get cancelled, and 5y is equal to, so 24,000. So therefore y is equal to 24,000 divided by 5. So if we will get cancelled, how much will get? So 4,800 will get. So y is equal to, so we need to find x is equal to, so we submit in this one. So x plus 4800 is equal to 12,000. So x is equal to 12,000 minus 4800 is equal to, how much will get? So 7,200. Okay, 7,200 we get. So this is the answer here. Okay, so these are about the total problems of the 4.2 exercise. So thank you guys. So please share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you guys.